All right, so for this next project, we're gonna be doing a really simplistic, minimal coffee table. And we got a little bit of African Padouk, spalted hackberry here, which I haven't worked with, and then just regular walnut. We're gonna go ahead and just rip these down the table saw, make them a little thinner strips, do a nice, interesting kind of glue up, and then we'll go from there. All right, so we got all these guys planed and joined as well as we can. This is probably the best fit that we're seeing. And we'll go ahead and get this glued up overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow and replane the surfaces. All right, so this is the glue up from last night. Everything's all cured. Glue is fully dry, looking pretty good. It was a little thinner than I wanted it to be in width, so I added another little sliver of poplar wood here on the end just to give it a little more width on the overall dimensions of this table. And I think that worked out nicely. What we're gonna do now is just go ahead and start planing all of these slabs down in order to get them nice and smooth so we can then go ahead and start sanding it. All right, so we got this all sanded down, planed, nice and smooth, looking good. And on to my favorite part of any project, putting the finish on.